Hey guys, this is the average rail fan. This is something a bit different. But yeah, again, I do a lot of things that are a lot different. Okay, so right now I'm in my grandmother's basement. And today I'm here to show you this old scale Lionel train set I got. Not in the best quality, as this boxcar is missing its bottom half, and the old tender is missing a piece of its wheel. But yeah, I was given this train set when I was like 4 or 5. I didn't know a train set was supposed to run on track, so I manhandled train. I'd smash it at stuff, I'd throw it off the table. That's the reason why it's a bit broken. It still runs, but it's missing some things. On one side, it's missing this bar. And then it's supposed to have in the cab 2 train drivers, but it only has 1. So, sorry about that. I had to get on the track. I will be running it for you guys too. So, then if you're wondering, if the train tender is broken, how does it run? Well, I got a second one like a year or 2 ago from a model railroad club in the next town over. They were pretty generous, I think. Oh, the set also came with this poster. I punched a hole in it a long time ago. Yeah, right now I'm trying to do my best to fix it up. But yeah, this Iron Giant had some rough times lately. And I also got a gondola, New York Central gondola. It has some spools in it, cables. Now this is one of the most high quality cars I have, pretty much at the moment. Aside from that caboose and this BNSF flat car. This is the newest car I got too. I think I got around Christmas time 2016. No, a bit earlier, I think, actually. Sorry viewers, we had a struggle there. So this Santa Fe boxcar, its chassis broke. So I threw it out, I think. This set's pretty old. It's at least 5 years old. Here's the caboose. My favorite car still today, and in the highest quality. Train's now coupled. I only got about 30 seconds left of battery. Well, let's get this running. It's pretty loud. Oh, we got some sparks. So the table ain't entirely flat. It has some ridges to it. So that's why it doesn't run very good.